Hi everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. This will be crochet pattern for my wedding wrap, but you can use it of course, for example, like a boho wrap. So it's not especially for weddings, just for the summer or autumn days. Today I'd like to try something new, and this will be an advanced pattern for advanced crocheters. If you would like to have the written pattern, you can find it in our new Woolpedia magazine number 2. You can find there a crochet chart and more descriptions. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and let's get started. I'm using our handmade wedding yarn. This is a glitter yarn, 2-ply, and for this size you will need 900 meters. My absolute favorite crochet hook is the Clover Soft Touch, and I'm using a 3mm crochet hook. You also need a tapestry needle for sewing your ends and scissors. Yeah, and we're just jumping right into the pattern. So you will need a multiple of 2 plus 2 stitches. So I crocheted a double crochet base of 222 stitches for this size. You can chain 222 stitches of course if you like, and crochet double crochet afterwards on top. And what we also need is 16 rows of double crochets afterwards. I think the advanced crocheters will be completely okay with this pattern. So if you're a beginner, please find my beginner courses on my website woolpedia.de. I'm pretty sure you will be fine and you will master this, I promise. After this, chain 1 for the next row and crochet only front post double crochets. Now let's do the lace pattern, and for this we're going to start with a wrong double crochet. Now let's crochet little shells. For this, skip 1 stitch and crochet a V-stitch. These are 2 double crochets into the next stitch. And then again, skip 1 stitch and crochet 2 double crochets into the next stitch. And repeat this until the end of the row. At the end of the row, crochet 1 double crochet through the last stitch and then turn your work. Now let's do the second row of the lace stitch, and for this start with a wrong double crochet. And now we're going to crochet little shells into little shells. That means we are crocheting 2 double crochets into each V-stitch. And again 2 double crochets into the next V-stitch. Repeat this lace row number 2 until your wrap is long enough or big enough. I hope this video was helpful, and I'm looking forward to your feedback and your project pictures. Don't forget to use the hashtag Woolpedia that I can find your projects on Instagram. And yeah, thanks for watching, happy crochet, and until next time, bye bye.